Assalamualaikum 7 class. How are you all? I hope you will be doing great at your homes. Today we are going to revise our unit number 1 from the workbook. So open your workbooks, unit number 7. Okay, the Pied Piper of Hamelin. It is a traditional story. It is a fairy tale, and Hamelin is the name of the town. Okay, students, it is a very interesting traditional fairy tale in which they have told us about how a country was plagued with the rats and how the Pied Piper put a music and the rats were gone. And again a mishap, a thing which then what happened, they protested against the piper, that they defeated them, but they run out of their promises. They promised to give them more, and after that they refused to pay that amount. Okay, so what happened, Pied Piper tell them that he can do another thing for them, and he took the small children of the all city with the music irresistibly. And this traditional tale is not a real tale, it is a fake or a fairy tale, okay, which we can only imagine. So students, here there are very difficult words. You will underline them. Predominating, like guilders, like tuneless, gnawing, nibbling, floored. You will write down the meanings of these words on your books. You will memorize the synonyms of this story, and after memorizing you will make sentences on your rough register, as you already have done this work on your notebooks. If you have not done on the notebooks, you can write the word meaning and sentences on the notebooks, otherwise you will revise it on your rough sheets or registers. Okay, after that come to word the level 1. Now here they have given the questions, where and when is this tale set. So you will read the first paragraph, the answer is here, and you will write it on the book here. Okay, the space has been given here. After that, students, the next question is, what makes the Pied Piper appear strange? Because his physical appearance and look was strange. As you read on the second page, in the starting they have given the description that he was wearing a jacket, a hat, a cloak, and the color of his hair was a little bit strange, thinness of his hairs. So it was a little different sketch, not a like simple man. Okay, so you will explain it. Then the next question is, how much does the burgomaster promise to pay the Pied Piper? So when you will come toward down the second page and the second paragraph, okay, here they have made a promise me my 1,000 guilders and I will set to at once. I am rather pressed for time. Okay, here they have made the promise. You will read these lines and then you will write the answer here. What happened to the children of Hamelin? What happened? Have you read the story? Actually, when you are reading this story, you feel that you are watching it, because the images and the description is so strong. This is the fairy and traditional tale basically. Okay, so how the children's gone with the music, what was the power of that music, you will write here. Okay, then come toward the level 2. I will read the questions. Is magic an important element in this story? Give reasons for your answers. You know, this is the story all about the magic. With the magic of the Pied Piper, what happened? The rats gone, the plague gone. कोई भी पावर ऐसी नहीं थी जिसकी वजह से वो रैट्स, वो प्लेग जो है इस जगह को छोड़ता है हेमलन को, बट विद द पावर एंड मैजिकल साउंड ऑफ द म्यूजिक इट हैपेंड. सो मेजर एलिमेंट ऑफ द स्टोरी इज मैजिक. यू विल एक्सप्लेन इट, ओके, in your own words. Then how would you describe the Pied Piper's physical appearance and his character? Okay, already we have done it in the level 1 and I have told you in the paragraph number 1 on the second page, 6th paragraph, they have given their description: tallness, thinness, long hair, his what he was wearing, a coat, a hat, a piercing blue eyes, he was looking strange. So you all read this and you will describe his physical appearance here. Okay, if you have already solved this, show me your books in the pictures, otherwise you will do it on the loose sheet. Okay, it is your choice how you are going to manage it. Then the seventh question is the Burgmaster telling the truth when he says I did say 50? No, obviously he is lying here, as he promised more and after that he refused. Like maybe it is a simple task and I have given more money, so he repented and he said I will give you the 50. So it is false. You will read and you will write it here. Then how would you describe the attitude of the Burgmaster and the counselor toward the Pied Piper after he had killed all the rats? You will write here, do you think that this story has a moral? If so, what is it? Yes, students, you can derive so many morals from this story. The one moral is that nothing take the smaller thing easy. Smaller things can make worthable plague. Okay, the little rats, when they get together, they brought a plague in that country. Like coronavirus is nowadays a plague here in all the countries, so same happened in this story. Okay, so after that then the second moral can be derived from the Burgmasters telling truth and lie, that first he promised more and after that he refused. He said I have promised about 50 guilders. Okay, so other moral you can also derive. There are also other morals which you can write with your own choice. Okay, so complete this level. Level 3 is very easy. You will explain these words from the paragraphs. The word have been given: majesty, on its last legs, ganged up on, under the sun, and spell binding. So after completing that, you will solve till page number 9. Okay, the next page we will do tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.